We're at 600 Hunters Road, Culpeper, Virginia. Repair attempt on this wind damaged shingle. Please note, we're not lifting more than 45 degrees. As we're attempting to remove the shingles, you can hear a lot of the granule loss that's occurring. You can see here, as we were attempting to remove the wind damaged shingle, we began to see crease being formed on the adjacent shingles directly above the wind damaged shingle. This fails the brittle test, also making this roof unrepairable. This roof cannot be fully repaired, and we're requesting a full approval of the roof.